Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding simple. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and your preferred flavorings like vanilla. Next, select a medium-sized saucepan, which is ideal for even heat distribution and easy stirring. Before adding any liquids, whisk your dry ingredients thoroughly in the pan to prevent any lumps from forming later. This simple step ensures a smooth, creamy pudding. Now gradually pour in the cold milk while continuously whisking the mixture. This helps to fully incorporate the dry ingredients without creating clumps. Place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring frequently to prevent scorching the bottom. Continue cooking until the pudding visibly thickens. Once it reaches your desired consistency, bring it to a gentle boil for exactly 1 minute. This crucial step fully activates the cornstarch, ensuring a stable set. Once thickened, remove the pudding from the heat immediately. This is the perfect time to stir in your chosen flavorings, such as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, for that classic taste. Carefully pour the hot pudding into individual serving dishes or a single large bowl, depending on how you plan to serve it. To prevent an undesirable skin from forming on top, gently press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the warm pudding. For the best experience, chill your pudding in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This allows it to fully set and develop its rich, creamy texture and flavor. When ready to serve, feel free to get creative with garnishes like fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or some delicate chocolate shavings. These additions elevate the presentation and taste. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade pudding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.